Welcome back to Learn Earn Crypto channel. A quick update on Bitcoin and major altcoins. Bitcoin US dollar. Bitcoin is currently trading at 43,100 US dollars. It was actually in range zone between 45,000 to 51,000 in the last weeks of December, until another sell-off happened on the first week of January, retesting the previous low, the long week last month. Looking at the daily chart, this might be a bearish head and shoulder pattern playing out. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. This bearish pattern, if confirmed, will have a target to around 30,000 US dollars or below. Now, on a bullish scenario, this might be forming a bullish falling wedge. The price is currently testing the resistance line of this bullish pattern. This will be confirmed if there's a breakout above 45,000, supported by the high volume on a daily time frame. The price target of this falling wedge bullish pattern is equal to the height of the back of the wedge, which will be around the previous all-time high at 65,000 US dollars. Looking back on the price action last September, we have seen the same falling wedge pattern, which gave a new all-time high for Bitcoin. Now, immediate resistance will be around 45 to 46,000 and 50 to 51,000. To cover the upside and downside price movement, dollar cost averaging is the best way while the price is below 50,000. I have bought the dip at 47,000 US dollars and also 41,000 as part of my DCA strategy. Though I'll be happy to buy more if the price drops below 30,000. It's either you buy the dip with DCA strategy, or you can wait for downtrend to stop and start buying when the downward diagonal line is crossed and also breaks the immediate resistance. And that's when the bullish sentiment is back. 40,000 should be a strong support, but if it did not hold, expect a market capitulation which will bring the price at 30,000 US dollars level. Let's go to the brave new coin liquid index for Bitcoin and check the MACD or the momentum indicator in a monthly time frame. The monthly MACD shows that the momentum is still going down. This supports the scenario of Bitcoin going back to the 30,000 US dollar level. And this can take a few months before the momentum shifts up again. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. So the dominance is currently hanging at around 39 to 40% support area as altcoins take a larger share. A confirmed break of support means altcoin season is imminent, leading to a new all-time low, probably later this year. That would be great news for altcoin traders who leverage on the high volatility of Bitcoin. For those without Ethereum exposure, possible to place a lowball bid at around 2,500 to 2,600 US dollar. Or one may consider buying when the diagonal resistance line is crossed. Ethereum has a history of creating long wicks on market capitulation, then buyers pushing the price up again. The current immediate support is at 3,200 to 3,000 level. If it doesn't hold, there will be another leg down at 2,700 to 2,800. ADA US dollar. This is another major altcoin where you may consider placing a tranche for a lowball bid at around $1 US or 1.11 cents or 1.20 cents. Then double up on the break of the diagonal resistance line. You can also earn interest in Cardano by staking while waiting for the manic market or the end of bull market to sell your bags for profit. That's all for today. By the way, I did not sell any of my altcoins during the recent market sell-off. Please note that my investment risk tolerance is higher than yours, so my strategy may not work on others. Besides, all my altcoins are position trades, which I'm in for a long-term holding. Do subscribe and smash the like button if you like this video. Thank you for watching.